Number 10 in this geometry review asks to determine the question or determine the equation for the given circle in the graph below. And this particular question would involve knowing what the format is for the circle equations. I'll go ahead and put it on the board here and we'll discuss how to fill it in. So we have this formula here. R squared. All right. So H and K, that's the center of your circle. And I tried to note that right here in the middle in blue. And we can easily determine that. It looks like it's on the x-axis. So our coordinates there would be 3, 0 for the center. We have 3, center or 3, 0 for the center. And then we just need to find a radius. So that can be, especially if it's on an axis, it can be pretty easy. We would just start here at the outside of our circle here, passing through 0, 0, and we have a length here of 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then also we have, 3 through 6, that's another 3 units. So we should be good there. So ultimately, you just need to find the center and the radius of your circle if given a graph. Hopefully they can make that somewhat easy for you. And what we have here is H and K. We just need to fill in our H and K and our R here. Make sure to square that R. Students tend to forget that. I've fallen victim to. So we have a x minus 3 squared plus, now because K is 0, yes, we can say minus 0 squared equals 3 squared. This would actually be acceptable, but you're expected to clean it up a bit. We would have x minus 3 squared plus y squared equals 9. So either of those answers would work for this particular question, but 9 times out of 10, I think they're going to want that bottom equation. So again, all you need to do is track down your H and K, your center, and go ahead and find your radius, and that should be visible or trackable on that particular graph that you're looking at, and then fill in your H and K. Remember that it's an easy way to remember to fill in the H and K is it's the opposite, because it's minus H and minus K. If you have a positive value, you just put that number in. If you have a negative value, then you flip it to X plus. Okay, so if I had a negative 3 at the center, I would say X plus 3 squared instead of X minus 3 squared. So I hope this helps for this particular equation, and I'll see you in the next video.